These small groups of families need your help. For $200, we can provide milk, rice, beans, sardines, and oil, enough to feed a family of 10 for 6 weeks. This will allow them to get back on their feet. You're doing hands up, not a handout. These families want to be self-reliant. We work with them all the time. Their children are going to school and learning new skills that will take them after high school into a profession of helping their country to be the agent of change. And their farmers are working to bring agriculture and restore it to the economic base of Haiti. We need your help. Just a hand up that will make a difference for these families. Please go to tobuildavillage.org and to see the things that we are doing. We would appreciate your help.